remote. Just pile your troubles upon the worry boat, the ship that keeps your worries at bay. You'll say I'm sorry, but I won't worry, as all your troubles sail away. If you've got a lot of burdens, pay attention, or the bothersome bleeders won't rest. I recommend this apprehension.